What's up YouTube, Kyle here to bring you guys another video. So this is actually a recent pickup. I just got this in the mail today and I actually wanted to do a vid on this. Like I wanted to do a review on this shoe. It'll be in the title, but yeah. Like this is actually going to be my first pair of this type of a shoe, like this model anyways. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, yeah, so I just took it out of the box. As you can see here, this is going to be a Jordan. So this isn't not the higher end type of Jordan type of box, but as you can see here, this is an Air Jordan 1 mid in my size, white, tropical, twist, black, Canadian label. It goes for $150. Reason why I bought this, just basically the colorway, the teal portion, I just couldn't get it out of like my head basically. And I did look at the high top of the Igloo and I was just like, yeah, it looks better, but are you really willing? I'm like, was I really willing to like spend up like $5 grand for that? Which I wouldn't do. So, you know what I mean? $5 grand for like, it's a rare shoe, but don't get me wrong, it's just like, it's quite a bit for a shoe. Like, even though I still want Dior's and yeah, but you know what I mean. But yeah, let me open this up. So it comes with the 23 paper here. This is some capsule. I bought this right away. I forgot to like provide a story. Honestly, in Toronto, it's been sold out. Like I flashed that shoe way too early, but yeah. So I got it from Capsule. I've been watching it for a while, so I was just like, okay, do I really need a mid type of shoe in my like collection? Not really a type of person that wants mids. That's why for me, I'm just like, mids, you know? Yeah, blasphemous for a sneakerhead. Hopefully not, but yeah, whatever. Again, let's just go on to this shoe. This is actually nice in person. Like, on camera, like, the teal is actually nice. Obviously, material's not really good because it's a mid. But like I do have a thing for black toes. Like my black toes are like my favorite like pattern for a Jordan. Like one high obviously. But yeah, like it's alright. You have a black toe here. Black laces, black tongue, nylon tongue. You have the Jumpman, the Air. Obviously I would prefer Nike Air on it, but you can't. Again, it's a mid, so you can't really do anything about it. The white, we have white pebbled leather here. The black leather is a little like shiny, but whatever. The leather's okay. The teal's alright. Like, I've seen it in person where like someone else was wearing it in like a Foot Locker, and then I just instantly was like, damn, that's like actually nice, but I'm like, damn, it's a mid. You know what I mean? But yeah, it has the Air Jordan on it on the side here. Black outsole, white outsole. It's alright. He was just like, damn, I could just use this as a gym shoe. If I don't like it enough, I'll probably like resell it or something, because if I go on the resale sites, so it's just like cruising on resale sites, it's like going for $250 now in Canada. $250 Canadian's pretty gross. Like $250 resale, I'd like rather buy a high, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's not bad at all. The back here, not bad. Like, it's just like a casual shoe, you know? See the other one? You want to see see both? Both of them together. Like, I've seen the bread mids, and I was just like, damn, I would like, I'm sorry for being blasphemous for being a sneaker, but like, I'm just like, okay, if I'm gonna, am I really gonna spend like X amount of money for the thing? You gotta think about it, right? But yeah, like the bread mids were actually nice. Like I've seen a girl wearing them and I'm just like, damn, they're actually nice. But obviously I know the leather quality is not gonna be there. But yeah, I did also get reverse bread lows. I still have to sell. I just don't like the. I just don't like the sell or the profit margin. So just holding on to them, or before even finding a buyer, because I still think they're going for retail around that price. So yeah, but these are actually not bad. Like, do I like them enough? Like, yeah, it reminds me of that Tiffany blue. Like, not a Tiffany type of dude at all, but it looks nice. And unfortunately, my girlfriend's jealous about it. And I'm just like, yeah, it's okay. She can get one. Oh, maybe I'll buy her another one if she gets jealous enough. You know, maybe I'll buy her in her size. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share it. See you guys in the next one. Don't hate me for wearing mids. Yeah, don't hate me for wearing mids. I wear lows. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.